अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक वेरी यमी एपेटाइजर क्रिस्पी पोटैटो मंचूरियन। तो चलो जल्द से डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक करो, इंग्रेडिएंट्स तैयार रखो और चलो शुरू करते हैं। हम 3 लार्ज पोटैटोज यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो पील देम, क्यूब देम एंड कीप देम असाइड। एक बड़ा सा बोल लो, ऐड 3 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a little water to mix to a thick paste. अच्छे से मिक्स करिए and now add the cubed potatoes. फिर से वापस मिक्स करके cover and keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. इसके बाद we have to deep fry the potatoes. While the potatoes are getting marinated, keep a kadai, add enough oil to deep fry the potatoes. Once the oil becomes hot, add in the potato pieces. If you're using a large kadai, you can add all the potato pieces at one go, else fry them in batches. Fry till golden brown and then remove and keep them aside. Always keep the flame on medium as we want the potato pieces to be cooked inside as well. It's been 5 minutes since I have been frying the potatoes. Another 2 to 3 minutes more for them to be completely golden brown. Meanwhile, let's keep the Manchurian ingredients ready. 1 large onion sliced, 1 capsicum sliced, and 4 to 5 garlic chopped. Keep them aside. Let's also make cornflour slurry and keep it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of cornflour to 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Mix well and keep that aside as well. Let's check on the potatoes. The potatoes are completely done. Remove to a bowl or plate and keep it aside. So this is it. The potatoes are nicely done. Keep them aside. Now keep a pan. Add 3 tablespoons of the oil in which we fried the potatoes. The oil is already hot. So add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds and then add the onions and fry till translucent. The flame is still on medium. The onions are almost done. So now add the capsicum and saute for another 2 minutes. Also add half a teaspoon of salt. We have already added salt in the marinade, so just add half a teaspoon and saute for a few more minutes. Let's prepare the sauces. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chilli sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix well, add a little water, mix again, and add that to the pan. Continue sauteing. Add a quarter cup of water to the bowl. Rinse out the bowl and add that water to the pan as well. Mix and continue sauteing on very low flame. Let the sauces and the onions and the capsicum blend well together. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix again. Sugar is added to balance out the salt and the sauces. You get a very nice texture and a very nice taste. Now let's add the cornflour slurry. Mix so that there are no lumps left. Add the cornflour slurry and mix lightly. Cook on very low flame for a minute or so. And now let's add the fried potato pieces. Add them and gently turn them over. While mixing, separate the potato pieces and let the masala coat the potato pieces. Keep the flame on high now and continue sauteing on very high flame for a minute. I have not added any food color here. Potato Manchurian is now ready to serve. Do like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to check out the ingredients in the description box. Thank you for watching.